The Sharjah Research, Technology and Innovation Park was mandated to develop and manage an innovation ecosystem that promotes research and development and supports enterprise activities, and the triple helix collaboration of industry, government and academia. In October 2018, SRTI Park reached an agreement with the Skyway Technologies to build a test site at the facility for the project. It's a hanging track transport system in Sharjah have taken a huge step forward. Skyway Technologies company has been operating a production facility with a 36-hectare eco-technopark test site near M.E.N.A in Belarus since 2015. The various transport system should cover the needs of passenger transport in city and commute at speeds of up to 600 km per hour. Skyway claims that its small transport units with variable passengers capacity can travel safely at intervals of 2 seconds, thus providing a transport capacity of up to 50,000 passengers per hour. His Highness Dr. Sheikh Sultan bin Mohammed Al Qasimi, Supreme Council member and ruler of Sharjah, witnessed the launch of the experimental phase. He inspected the work and had a look inside one of the unicars. The urban transport concept and technology, which is being tested in Sharjah before being marketed on global scale. Aims to cover 2.8 kilometers stretch from Sharjah Airport Road to the University City Road. Research and development work will be carried out on the basis of the Skyway Innovation Center at the Sharjah Research, Technology and Innovation Park. It is planned to create a component center which will train specialists for the project designing, engineering, construction and operation of the string transport. Skyway designed to become the centerpiece of Sharjah's research and development activities, a mega structure of a clean transport technology.
Good afternoon. I'm glad to represent SkyWay at this conference. Let me express my appreciation to His Excellency Hussein Al Mahmoudi and Sharjah Research, Technology, Innovation Park for the opportunity to bring to the audience our mission. Generally, you recognize Skyway as a company engaged in provision of transportation solutions. I'm here to show Ecotechnopark in Belarus and justify that Skyway concept is much more comprehensive. As per this concept, our transport ensures safe, green and comfortable dwelling of people in the smart city of tomorrow.
Smart city of the future is a high-tech, intelligent and green city with unique solutions in design, architecture, ID and transport. The main feature of the smart city is widespread landscaping of urban areas. The ground surface is designed for pedestrians and green plants, while transport, power supply and information utilities are placed above the ground on the second level. Architecture is represented by pedestrian quarters, where low-rise comfortable buildings are located between multifunctional high-rise buildings. The transport logistics network are horizontal elevators connecting the neighboring high-rise buildings, residential, shopping, entertainment and other clusters, allowing for comfortable movement between them in a few minutes. A smart city can be built on deserted, waterlogged and hard-to-reach areas, including complex terrain in mountains as well as on the sea shelf. A linear city is not just our vision of the future, futuristic, green, safe, but a concept of caring for human life. The concept in which the standard of living of the population reaches its pinnacle of happiness with the help of modern technologies. Let's take a look at what makes simple human happiness in the linear city. Let's see how the linear city can take care of its residents. The heart of the linear city is in its intelligence ecosystem. All processes automatically interact with each other, allowing you to analyze and model the event taking place in the city, to forecast the behavior of the entire city and in separate systems. Second-level transport infrastructure is an optimal solution to save time. Infrastructure facilities are at an optimal distance from each other. The movement of a resident in the city can be carried out along the most convenient route in a short period of time. Saving travel time allows the resident to look at his time in a new way and reconsider and distribution and focus on the most important things. This creates a balance between work and home, inner harmony, improves emotional and physical condition. Isn't it happiness?
Imagine life in harmony with nature, surrounded by flowers and trees, with no asphalt, no traffic jams and long winded travel hours spent. Is it really possible? I'm on the doorstep of Ecohouse and you may see a beautiful garden nearby. The same garden you may have in your yard, but my yard has some unique feature. This is a transport station. This station could be connected directly with the tower and you can reach your office or shopping mall without any pathway. Green and smart transport, Unicar will arrive to pick you up. This innovative vehicle has been demonstrated in our SkyWay Innovation Center in Sharjah for the first time. Unicar is waiting for its turn to be implemented in real city. And right now, thanks to the online conference format, we can virtually introduce another very important part of future sustainable world. This is Ecohouse and green technologies created by SkyWay.
SkyWay Ecohouse is innovative green building, natural environment, use of environmentally friendly materials, renewable energy sources, noise insulation, improve microclimate and the availability of your own private space. Technological solutions applied in the Ecohouse construction allow the most efficient use of natural resources for human life. Let's us show it to you. The design infrastructure of Ecohouse, both low-rise for personal use and high-rise buildings, provides a double facade which prevents overheating of the building. Roof landscaping also reduces the heat load and allows you to save energy for cooling. Water consumption is significantly reduced due to the use of rainwater collection system and recycling of treated grey water and wastewater. During the daylight, photovoltaic roofing panels save up to 30% of electricity for air cooling and heating of rooms. The main idea of Ecohouse is a zero environmental impact, recreation of the natural balance, creation and maintenance of a unique natural ecosystem. All this is achieved by landscaping of the buildings, including high-rise ones, with the transfer of fertile soil from under the foundation to the second level on floors and roof. Park areas, recreation areas and gardens are created on the roofs. The soil itself is improved by organic matter, which contains necessary components for plant nutrition. Such technology can be implemented in any natural environment, including the desert. Leave fertile soil and natural ecosystem, flora and fauna can be restored. This will allow enriching the soil and restoring its fertility, producing green crops and optimizing the use of natural resources.
What we have evidence today is just a small part of our vision. Several solutions have already been implemented in our technoparks. SkyWay confers the possibility for cities and countries to grow. Join us in our mission and let's create a sustainable world together.